If you're one of the lucky few as a 2020 GT500 on the way, we're going to take a look at a part from Ford Performance you're going to want to add to your shopping cart. Obviously, the talk right now is all about the 2020 GT500, and rightfully so, as the most powerful Mustang ever built. Our friends over at Lund Tuning have already made 900 plus horsepower with one and seen it go well into the 9s with just a few bolt-ons. Now, if you are lucky enough to have one of these cars, an oil separator is something you're definitely going to want to get. Now, if you get the Track Pack option, this kit is already included from the manufacturer. If you didn't spend that extra 19 or 20 grand, we have this kit available right here at CJ's, and today we're going to tell you about it. But now you're probably aware of what an oil separator does, but its job is to work on the PCV system and basically separate oil vapor from going back into your engine, which will protect your engine long term. This one's going to mount on your passenger side valve cover and includes all necessary hardware and bracketry for installation. Now, this is not a generic one-size-fits-all. This is designed specifically for the GT500 and is made right here in the USA. One of the really cool features about this separator is there is no draining required. Once the oil vapor is separated from your system, it is returned to your oil. If you have a GT500 on the way or sitting in your garage and didn't get the Track Pack option, this oil separator is going to be an excellent purchase to protect your new car. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.